In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional company profile using Canva. Canva is a fantastic online design tool that offers a wide range of templates and customization options to fit your branding needs. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, type "Professional Company Profile" into the search bar. This search will bring up a variety of pre-designed templates specifically made for company profiles. These templates are a great starting point as they are professionally designed to meet business standards while being fully customizable to suit your specific requirements. Take a moment to browse through the available options. You're looking for a template that resonates with your company's style and the message you want to convey. Once you find one that feels right, go ahead and select it. You can click on the template to see a preview of its layout and design elements. When you're happy with your choice, click on "Customize this template." This action loads the template into Canva's design editor where you can make it your own. Now it's time to swap out the placeholder information for your company's details. You can do this by clicking on any text box within the template. Simply highlight the existing text and start typing your company's information. Remember to include key details like your company's name, mission statement, services offered, and contact details. This is your chance to highlight what makes your company unique, so feel free to tweak the font style, size, and color to align with your brand identity. Next, to ensure your company profile stands out visually, you'll want to incorporate your own images and graphics. This is where Canva's Uploads feature comes in handy. Click on the Uploads tab located on the left-hand panel of the editor. Here, click on the Upload Files button to bring in images directly from your computer. These could be your company's logo, product images, or any other relevant visuals. Once uploaded, you can easily drag and drop these images onto the template. By doing this, you replace the default images with your own, making the profile not only professional but also personalized. Adjust the image size and placement as necessary to create a balanced and appealing design. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've just crafted a professional company profile that reflects your brand's image efficiently and effectively. Canva makes it easy to finalize and download your design so you can start sharing it with your audience right away. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now ready to create stunning company profiles with confidence. Thanks for watching.